Hello everyone, welcome to a new video for Bitcoin price prediction based on Elliott wave analysis. This is the intraday video on the 1 hour chart and 15-minute chart to see what happened for Bitcoin, what it might happen in the next few hours. So today in the daily 96,762, we said that this is your invalidation of bearish, and meaning because we are in 1 2 3 4, your wave 4 should not interfere with your zone 1, and of course then you have to see a wave 5 in case not. But because Bitcoin has today a lot of sense of humor, yeah, that's very ironic actually. So yeah, we left a small gap. Yeah, he left just a small gap between the invalidation points. So just just to trick us, of course, and then still probably opening a chance for a wave to a 5 toward the downside. Yeah. Very very tricky. However, the most funnier thing is that you have finished a very nice impulse. Yeah, this is a very nice impulse. 1 2 3 4 and a 5. Yeah, meaning you are in an A, B, and a C, or in a 1 2 3 4 and a 5. So an impulse probably, of course, can still turn into A, B, C, or WXY and continuation toward the downside. But yeah, we have to be very careful. It's a very tricky price action. Like imagine now we are in an impulse toward the downside and an impulse toward the upside. Yeah, so very tricky without invalidation. So yeah, we have to be careful. Anyway, we have to consider both case scenarios. Be careful taking the wave 5, and if this happened, then of course you have to consider that you took the low, probably finished as a zigzag and moving for higher, or in case you are bearish, then you have to continue 4-5 toward the downside. Yeah, we have several 1-2s in the top, right? We have a 1 2 1 2 and then bigger 1 2 here. In case we take this wave 5, therefore you finished a wave 3 4 and a 5 4 and a 5 4 and a 5. Yeah, so these are the scenarios where you might finish also between the 77 and the 80k to close your CME gap for Bitcoin. This is your bearish scenario. Your bullish scenario is you finished an impulse here very clearly. It can be 1 2 3 4 and a 5 for a wave C. Why a wave C? Because it is very possible you have 3 waves up, 3 waves down, expanding flat wave C. Yeah, so very nice expanding flat, by the way. This will end up in a very nice pattern as an expanding flat. And of course, after a leading diagonal for a wave 1, meaning completion again of a wave 1 2, yeah, with longer time only to get boring. Yeah, so this is your bearish scenario. Your bullish scenario is the most tricky trap that it can be in case we are bullish from here, guys. So the most highest possibility is A, B, C, D, and a E right now for the bullish. So you are in a bigger W, X, and a Y. Wave Y is this A, B, C, D, and a E, right? So meaning we are betting on time, yeah, rather than taking the low, right? To be bullish, because you can be bullish from here or wait for the time to be bullish from there, all right? What if Bitcoin just trap us with A, B, and a C running flat? What if? Just what if? 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5 can finish a running flat, right? As an A, B, and a C, because you need a 5 ways toward the downside for a running flat. Finishing and ending diagonal can finish in a running flat. However, it still gives higher possibility, of course, for longer range, but just one more wave toward the downside. Meaning, right now, if you take even this wave 5, we have to be careful because this will finish kind of like ending diagonal again, and it might be an A, B, and a C finishing running flat, trapping us or tricking us that we still need to range, or to take the low, yeah, and not taking the low and then moving toward the upside. How much tricky can this be? Yeah, it's a big trap. However, of course, a very low possibility, but what if? Yeah, so just to be safe. So bullish scenario, we still of course need two ranges here to finish moving up or to take the low, take this low. Now, yeah, very low possibility as we said, running flat and moving for higher, but you still need one more leg to move higher for a running flat. So we're gonna see, of course, what's gonna happen. For the bearish, if we take this price action, you finished 1, 2, and then 3, 4, 5 toward the downside. And let's take a closer look for Bitcoin on KGT 3-minute chart. As you can see, we have sell signal. We still have a very strong convergence on the 3-minute chart here. Yeah, so the 3-minute chart shows very strong conversions for the bearish, invalidation for the bullish as well. So of course that puts much more pressure on the bearish scenarios, of course, to unfold. That was it for Bitcoin. Thank you for watching. Thank you for your likes and comments. See you in the next one. Bye bye.